Woo. Hey y'all, this is Angie. I'm geared up. We had a little snow last night, this morning. It feels like 5 degrees. And fixing to have to go pick up some groceries. I wanted to go pick them up yesterday, but my husband didn't want to. So we're gonna have to go out this morning. It's 5 degrees. Let's go walk around the yard and let's look at the roads. It's still coming down a little bit. Woo! I can feel it. Roads are passable. Yeah, the roads are passable. There's somebody talking. Oh, I guess they're over at Jack's. So, yep, cars covered a little snow over there. And one thing you want to make sure before it really comes a good freeze is your tanks filled halfway or more, because you don't want your lines freezing up in your car. It's beautiful out here this morning on a Saturday. This is the last day of January. Already got the animals fed and watered this morning. Guess we'll go walk some more around the property here. I'm gonna cut a shortcut through here. Ooh, feel that cold snow hitting my face. So, I don't need to be out here long. It's bitterly cold. Birds are singing this morning. Can't be out here long. I'm about to go back in. You ready to go pick up some groceries in a little while? Huh? I'm talking to Cinnamon. You ready to go pick up some groceries? Well, we have to put your coat on a little bit, okay? I had to come back in and warm up. It's... Woo! Well, it's after 10 o'clock, and we were supposed to go get our groceries, but we got a message that it's delayed. Oh, the car was warming up a little bit, but husband's gonna have to turn it off and come back in the house. Oh, your daddy be back in here in a minute. We're not going yet. We gotta wait on them to tell us our groceries are ready. So it's almost 10:30 and we're gonna go pick up our groceries. So Cinnamon, you ready to go, right? I don't know what temperature it is now, but I know it's cold.
6.
But it's probably wind chills, something else. Everybody buckled up.
Yep.
Is it too cold to be in the rumble seat?
Yep. Rolling.
Rolling.
Go high. Keep them doggies rolling.
Hey, Cinnamon. We're gonna pick up your chicken up here at the store.
Yeah, we're going to pick up your chicken.
It's like chicken.
Snow day and we got to pick up your chicken.
We gotta get the cat's food. We gotta get bird food. We gotta get food for all of us.
Yep.
In this freezing snow.
Hey, look at all
What do you call that? Look like there was like a little tornado in the snow.
Oh, that's what it is.
Earlier.
It's a snow tornado.
I don't know if the camera got it or not. Look at that visibility up there.
Yeah, look at Lafayette.
Yeah, we're almost in Lafayette now.
Yeah. Lafayette's really got the snow. Wow.
Yeah, they got more, don't they?
Seems like it.
Yeah, it's just funny how they talk about a little bit of snow. Everybody goes crazy, buys everything up at the store.
Yeah.
We had to get substitutions because everybody bought everything out. So we're almost at the store. We're almost at the store, Cinnamon. We'll pick up our groceries. Gotta pick up essentials.
Yep. I need my essentials.
And they got a truck coming in right now.
Yep.
Go bump. See how many people's up here at Walmart today in this little snow storm.
Probably not me.
You'd be surprised. Oh no, the parking lot ain't that full. Well, let's get us a spot down here. Ooh, be careful going over that.
Yep.
Okay. Alright, we got our grocery.
Now let's get back home safe.
Yep, let's get back home safely. Yay, say yay, Cinnamon.
Get back home safely, girl.
You ready to go back home, aren't you? Okay. Stay safe, take care.